Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Guys, stop what you are doing. You are not gonna wanna miss this one. I'm in Future Homes at Ocean Isle Beach. And I have got a real treat for you guys. So this is their new Heartland Cape model they just got set up. Obviously, I've taken you through a number of Heartland plans, Heartland Capes at this point, but this one is just a little bit different. So I wanted to kind of get over here to the side and show you how beautiful this roof line is. You've got pitches, you've got peaks, you've got wraparound porches, a little bit of everything. So let's get in here and take a look. Now, you know all that stuff is optional, okay? From the wraparound porch, we're gonna have that conversation, to what's up top there. What you're seeing there is a 30-foot turn gable with a double window in there, and then you've got a great example of the double window shed style dormer, okay? I did wanna point out, this is a different foundation option. They do a little bit more of this over here on the coast, but I imagine it's something we could offer too if it's something you like. So let me walk you around this wraparound porch real quick. The beautiful included cypress green color at no extra cost. They did add some raised panel shutters there. The white lineals are included. We do offer them in black now as well. This would be an optional front door in the Heartland series. Okay, that front door, don't be confused, is included in, say, your Sparta, but it is an option. I mean, let's just talk about this accent wall for a minute. So, the shiplap, the electric the electric fireplace insert there, the floating shelves, so pretty. The black beams to kind of tie in that black hardware package. So the black hardware package is the knobs, the hinges, the shower heads, the water faucets. But I mean, that is stunning. The triple window, I'm not sure how they did that, but for however they did it, they've worked a triple window in this Heartland series living room, which is nice. All right, let's get to the kitchen and dining space. So we've talked about it a number of times, but that third door off the dining is going to be optional. You're seeing a sliding glass door today. Now, one thing that is different compared to most of my Heartland series plans, if they've added a big pantry cabinet on the end of this countertop. So a lot of the Heartland series plans I've shown you do not have that. You are seeing some optional pendant lights. I love how they ran the backsplash up to the ceiling behind the range hood there. A beautiful, clean white quartz countertop today. Now, this is something small, but I get asked this a lot. This is the same island that is in our Greenbrier model. And people ask me about it all the time. I think they like the little curves here. There's a gigantic overhang to pull stools up under. I love those stools, by the way. And so this is the same Greenbrier, same island as the Greenbrier, and that kind of tells you, hey, these islands are somewhat interchangeable for sure. So we'll have that conversation if you want to. One of our two included range hoods at no extra cost. Love the transom window over the kitchen window sink. One thing I did want to point out too is we have always had the stainless steel farmhouse sinks, but we actually have the gunmetal black farmhouse sink option moving forward. They did not show one, but just know that is an option moving forward. Just an incredible kitchen. Love the pendant lights. That is one of our new cabinet colors, just a straight black. So I get a lot of people wanting to kind of go all black on their house nowadays, and it's never been easier. Here's a black. Now what this is a bifold barn door. So obviously a traditional barn door would not work here. There's nowhere for it to slide. but you want that barn door look. Voila. Is that not cool? So here's that incredible Heartland pantry as always. Got your appliance shelf there. That's a $150 option. Why not? Air fryers, microwaves, what have you. And then this is the access to your 50-gallon water heater. Traditional or included casings today are included 2-panel doors. I've already mentioned the black hardware, but just kind of hitting on some small things there. You are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. That is always going to be a larger hitter as far as upgrades. You're talking about, call it $3,000 to do the 9-foot ceilings throughout. The sliding glass door, number one, it saves floor space, but it's about $1,000 cheaper than your atrium doors. A lot of people call them French doors, but really only one side operates. So just remember that the slider is the most affordable of the double door options, okay? As we go down the hallway, you're gonna have bedroom 2. There's only 2 bedrooms on this first level. They have some renderings upstairs of some different things you can do as far as laying out that upstairs. Across the hallway, we have bath 2. Going back to the laminate Formica tops, that is one of our new optional darker gray cabinet colors. Beautiful. Our new included black frame mirrors, the black pendants or vanity lights tie into that black trim package. Very traditional tub shower combo. They did option in the large 4-foot transom window there. That bad boy's call it $500. Some more floating shelves. So I can get these floating shelves, you know, from Nationwide. So I mean, we can always work those in if that's something you like. And then off that side, there is this just gigantic utility room. Washer and dryer hookup with a recessed dryer vent. Got that new shelving system that is now included. Just a super handy utility room, sink, cabinetry, countertops. This window is optional in the utility room. It's not very expensive, call it less than $500. This little thing here is telling you about our new pet shower that we're offering. Let me show you this porch real quick. Our new model in Burlington is actually going to have that pet shower for you to see in person. So I imagine it's going to be a big deal. So I will put up more videos as that gets closer to keep you guys in the loop. I am now crossing over that main space, headed to the master bedroom. Great big bedroom, very nice closet, wraparound shelving, the shoe cubby. Look at all those shelves, boom, 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 boom. Really nice closet, very nice. And then let's check out this master bath. Oh, there's the green cabinets.
Wow.
Another one of our new cabinet color options. It is extra, but it is beautiful. All right, so what is special about this shower? You have seen a ton of 4x6 showers, but this is the first 4x6 you've seen with the sliding glass door. So all of the other 4x6 showers that you typically see has a little step-in area, big glass wall. It's kind of an open-air concept. Well, this is a new option for the 4x6 showers. Very impressive doors. I mean, look at this fancy handle. I mean, it just looks expensive. Very nice. Of course, with that 4x6 shower, you're going to have ceramic tile and a rain head and a wand and all that good stuff. So you can always add shampoo boxes. They did add the big 4-foot transom there in this shower. but very, very nice. The cultured marble tops are only optional in bathrooms, but they're at a very good price point. There's your black framed mirrors that we've already hit on. I love this green cabinet color. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Tell me if you like it or not. And then when you create the 4x6 shower, so the Heartland series bathroom is a 60-inch shower and a linen closet and a freestanding toilet. When you option in that 4x6 shower, you actually have the option to create, if you would like, a true water closet. They did not, but you can option in a true door here. But again, that only can happen when you do the 4x6 shower in this particular bath layout, if that makes sense. I do like how there is a window over the toilet. Might have to crack it. But more so for the natural light, of course. But let's go check out this unfinished second level. Did want to show you, I noticed as I walked across, you can always do your island and shiplap. If you're trying to tie in the shiplap fireplace or the feature wall or accent wall there, you just let me know that is an option. This upstairs would be finished on site. That is going to extend your build time. Obviously, it's going to cost a little bit. If you don't finish it up front, this is pretty much what you're working with here. Predominantly, all of our Cape options or two-story options are going to have a 12-12 roof pitch. The dormers, again, are optional. They do let in a lot of natural light. They've got some renderings up here showing you some different bedroom ideas and stuff like that. There's your stairwell, so I didn't even show you this side over here. Let me show you this rendering. You got just over 1,000 square feet on the second level. So I keep calling this the Heartland Cape. You're probably wondering what number Heartland Cape. Is it the 1? Is it the 2? It's basically a customized Heartland 1 Cape, because you got about 1,500 square feet on the bottom. That's similar to the Heartland 1. They do very well with it over here. So I think now that I'm showing it to you on YouTube, I'm imagining I'll have more questions about it. Maybe we'll build one for you. But I just wanted to show you this living room and main space one more time. They just have it decorated so perfectly. Kind of that modern farmhouse feel. That fireplace is only, call it $1,700, so it's far less expensive than some of your gas fireplace options. Obviously, if the power goes out, it's not going to produce heat, but if you're going for aesthetics, there you go. All right, guys, that's it for today. You walked a Heartland Cape with me today at Future Homes in Ocean Isle. If you're building on the East Coast, definitely give them a shout. Check out Modular Men. That's my buddy Trey Miller's YouTube channel. He works for Future Homes. Check that out and give him a subscription as well. He does similar videos as me. Thank you guys for all the subscriptions, all the likes. Take care.